All right, these are the last questions. I didn't see the page when I did the last video, the very last page, and so I just saw it this morning. So I'm going to do it right now. So these are the last questions that kind of got hidden in my papers, but I'm doing them. So a dairy farmer uses a storage silo, a container, big container that's in the shape of a cylinder. If the volume of the silo is this, what is the diameter of this? All right, so first of all, volume of a cylinder, go to the beginning, and you will see all the formulas there. So the formula for a cylinder is pi r squared h. That's at the beginning. It says the volume is 72 pi, and it says the height of it right there is 8. So we're going to solve for the radius. We're going to get r by itself. So you can see that we're going to divide by 8 pi, and then to undo a square, you square root that. If you do that properly, the answer is 3. You can do it with your calculator, or the pi's cross out. 72 divided by 8 is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. Whatever. But that's the radius. That means the diameter is double of that, and so the diameter is 6. Done. For what values of x is this rational function undefined? Well, when the denominator is equal to 0, so don't assume that that answer is 5, because it's not. So it's not 5. The whole denominator equal to 0. What should you do with your calculator? You should solve this. So type this in, solve. Type this in all the way to 0, comma x. And if you do it correctly, the answer is 3 is what makes it 0, and that's what makes it undefined. Last two questions about money. Jessica opened a bank account, earns 2%. Her initial deposit was $100, and she uses this expression to find the value of the account after T years. So the initial money is 100, and then the T represents how many years it's been in there. What should X represent? And it represents the interest, but it's the interest and the amount, like compounded. And so if I just put in 2%, 0.02, that would not show the increase in the account. All that would do is how much interest I got, but it wouldn't show the $100 and the interest. I want both, the $100 and the interest. So the correct number would be 1.02. That would represent the $100 and the 2% increase altogether. So X in this case would be 1.02. Jessica's friend, this is connected to the same question, Tashawn, found an account that earns 2.5% more. Tashawn put $100 in at the same time Jessica did. After 10 years, how much more money will one have than the other? So we're going to use the same equation, but now it's 2.5%. So instead of 0.025, we need the 1 in front, and then it's to the exponent 10 for 10 years. And then Jessica is 2%. We said that was 1.02, again to the exponent 10. Just type all of that in your calculator, and you get 6.11. Done. Mr. G Math, over and out. I'm sorry I had to do another video for you. Anyways, good luck on the SAT. Mr. G Math, over and out.